Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we'll embark on a 10-minute guided meditation designed for beginners. This session will help you find inner peace, reduce stress, and bring a sense of clarity to your mind. Whether you're new to meditation or just looking for a moment of calm, this practice will guide you step by step. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or even lie down if that feels best for you. Now, gently close your eyes and let's begin. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Take a deep inhale and a slow, gentle exhale. Breathe in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. With each breath, allow your body to relax. Feel the tension melting away from your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Let your breath become your anchor, grounding you in this present moment. Now, simply observe your breath. Notice how it moves in and out naturally. Feel the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. No need to change anything. Just be present with your breath. Let's take a few moments to sit with the stillness. Now, shift your awareness to your body. Notice the sensation of your feet on the ground, the weight of your hands resting gently, the stillness within you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to soften even more. Bring to mind something you are grateful for right now. It could be a person, a moment, or even the simple act of breathing. Hold that gratitude in your heart. Let's sit with this feeling for a few more breaths. Now, imagine you are sitting beside a calm, peaceful lake. The surface of the water is still, reflecting the sky above. Each breath you take creates a gentle ripple, then fades back into stillness. Now, ask yourself, what is one thing you can release right now? It could be a worry, a fear, or a tension you've been holding on to. With your next exhale, imagine letting it go, like a leaf floating away on the water. Feel a sense of lightness as you breathe in. And let go as you breathe out. Let's sit in this peaceful stillness for a little while. Shift your focus to your heart. Imagine a warm golden light expanding within you. With each inhale, this light grows, filling your body with a sense of calm and warmth. With each exhale, this light extends beyond you, spreading peace to the world. Breathe in. Feel the warmth. Breathe out. Share the peace. Let's sit with this sensation for a little longer. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the rhythm of your breath, the sense of calm within you. Before we end, take a deep inhale and exhale completely. Repeat in your mind, I am at peace. I am present. I am enough. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this peaceful energy with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me today at Serene Mind Studio. May your day be filled with calmness and clarity. Namaste.